Hi, welcome. My name is Heather, and today we're going to be learning how to do alternate nostril breath, also known as nadi, shodana, pranayama. So find a nice comfortable seat wherever you're at, sitting up nice and tall, spine is long, and make sure that you also are able to maybe clear your nose as this breath is done in and out through the nose only, mouth closed. So close your mouth when you're ready. And take your right hand out in front of you. Tuck in the first two fingers into your palm. So you're leaving your pinky finger, your ring finger, and your thumb out. And then bring your ring finger to the left nostril. Now take it not at the very bottom, but a little bit higher. Maybe you can feel where right under your bone is. Inhale through the right nostril. Pause at the top, maybe a slight dip in the chin. Bring your thumb to your right nostril and release the ring finger from your left nostril. Exhale. Inhale through the left. Bring the ring finger back to the left nostril. Release the thumb. Exhale. And inhale through the right nostril. So pausing in the middle, exhaling through one side, inhaling through that same side, and then sending it back. So this is a really great practice to do maybe at the beginning of your yoga class or your yoga practice. And it has a really nice calming quality to it, really grounding quality. So it's also great to help with stress and anxiety relief. If you have any questions, please let me know below, but that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoy. Make sure to like this video or give it a like if you liked it, and have a wonderful one. Namaste. I'll see you in the next one.